everybody, it's your girl Ayahnna and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, I know I have been MIA for like 2 months. I know y'all like, girl, what is going on with you? We riding with you, but where you at? I know. I totally get it, and I totally apologize. I just feel like finding that consistency that works and that schedule that works for y'all and for me, we're getting there. Okay, so just keep bearing with me, keep riding with me because I am in it, okay? So I am going to bring you a video today because it is finally spring. I feel like I can finally wear some bright colors, okay? I am not a fan of winter and fall, honestly, but spring and summer are my jam. I am so hyped because I did a Forever 21 little shopping spree the other day. Your girl got her some new glam makeup, so I wanted to kind of show you guys the new bright colors that I'm going to be rocking in today's video to welcome spring 2019. Make sure you share this video with someone who is just ready to have a bright, sunny, orangey day because where I'm at right now, it's raining and it's spring. So, I mean, typical spring weather, but I'm just ready for some sun. I need a vacation again.